What is your name?
Hank.
Hank.
Yes.
Okay. Do you go to school?
Yes.
What school do you go to?
Here.
That's nice. Okay. Are you an only child?
I have a brother. I have a sister. Hi. I have a brother. I have a sister. I have a brother. This is funny. Yeah, that's really it.
Okay.
What about your mother?
I don't know.
What do What's your mom's name?
Is this a trick question?
What's your dad's name?
Phil.
Okay. Do you have any questions for Hank?
Is he?
Good question. What's your answer for that? What is your answer to that question?
Good question.
Never mind. I see you like
Excuse
to
me?
wear. Oh, yes.
I have a question for Hank. What is your favorite color?
Hey,
What's your favorite animal?
a liger.
Right. Okay.
Watch this.
Okay. Do you have a favorite instrument or band?
Ryan Seacrest.
Okay. Is there anything else you would like to say?
Yes, let's say something. Hi, mommy. What's your name? Hi, Phil. Hi, brother. Hi, sister. Bye.
Okay. Okay. That is all.